I want to begin first by troubleshooting some of the invalid data we'll come across. The easiest, or to begin with, is coming over here and you see where it says name, it's got a question mark. You'll get that type of invalid data notification when you actually have a formula that isn't recognized. When you see that, you want to come up into your formula bar and take a look at it. It's saying the average of D8, G8. We're missing the colon. The colon is, again, in our earlier training videos we talked about being through. We don't want D8, G8. There's no cross-reference that gives us that. It's a column with a row. So we just need to type in there our shift colon to get us D8 through G8, hit enter, and it's happy. It doesn't give us a name error where it doesn't recognize the formula. Second of all is you want to be able to circle invalid data. Now this is dependent upon the validation rule. If you haven't watched a training video on data validation, you want to watch that, because what that does is that if I click and drag and select a range, I can put a validation rule on there that says the only type of data I'd like to see within this range are the numbers 100 through, let's say, 999. I don't want any text. If there is something that's not supposed to be there, I can first click off in a blank area, come up here, click on the Data tab, come over here to the Data Tools group, click on Data Validation drop-down arrow and say Circle the Invalid Data. There it is. It's not valid. And again, this is dependent upon the data validation feature, which when you click and drag and select the range here and you click on Data Validation, it's already been set up. It says, look, we only want numbers between 100 and 99. Now there's no error alert that stops them or prevents them from entering in any text, which would have been wise to go ahead and give them an error and prevent them, put a stop alert saying, hey, you can't enter in text. It has to be literally a number between 100 and 99. But if that gets away from you, or you want to give them the option to type in anything over 99 instead of having them emailing you or calling you constantly saying, hey, I can't enter in 1,000 because there may be some exceptions, then you may want to go ahead and just not put any alerts on this or prevent them from doing it, and later on just come back in here and circle the invalid data and clean it up yourself. So once I come in here and clean it up and type in a number in between 100 and 999 like 605, hit the tab key, it removes the invalid circle here. So this invalid data goes in conjunction with the data validation rule. Watch the training video on that and you'll learn and understand all the different ways of setting this up where you can actually prevent people from entering in anything but what you want, or just leaving it open like we just saw here where somebody could actually type in their last name. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.